From the 3rd to the 31st of May, you may ask the individual dining grants. What do you have to do? This year, the process will only be available telematically. For that, you'll need digital identity, IDCAT mobile, or other options. Enter to the site bygebre.cat and choose the banner Individual Dining Grants at the main page. Download the request and fill it up. If you don't have digital signature, you'll have to print it to sign it. After that, you'll have to scan it or take a picture of it. Access to the process online at the generic instance section. Now, the digital identity will be asked. Identify yourself to start the process. Fill the gap and note down that you're asking for the Ajuts de menjador and the name of your daughter or son. Then choose Continue. At the next screen, choose Continue again. Now, attach the documentation, the records that you've downloaded and filled, as the rest of the documentation if necessary. If everything is alright, send it and you'll have finished.